Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in for the Trade of the Week by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernakov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness, and in today's video we're going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But first, let's see how the previous idea performed. That was a possible long position for the Nikkei index with no specific target as the momentum trading idea. The idea was triggered just today, so it might need more time to develop. In total, starting from the beginning of 2025, we've brought 48 ideas, with 36 of them being successful. That brings a rough 73% of a hit rate for published ideas. For this week, we are monitoring the AUDNZD currency pair. This pair, also known as a commodity currency spread, moves in a strong momentum starting from the previous week, having jumped for around 180 points above the 20-day moving average, which exceeds 3 values of daily volatility. Usually that points to a price discovery regime and may lead to the continuation of a trend towards at least 1.19 level. According to the swing statistics data, the swing for AUDNZD moves for 6 days in a row, and 97 of 112 same swings from the 10-year historical period ended with a continuation for the couple of days more. Momentum breakouts are usually quick, so the entire trade may last for 2 to 3 days, so traders have to be quick in reaction. What is the foundation of this idea? The Australian dollar is a gold-related commodity currency, and it's been on the radar of traders starting from the previous year. The New Zealand dollar has a correlation with the Australian dollar, but now it lags behind. The relative strength of the currency is often represented in the rising yields of loan and government bonds, and that's exactly what we see here. The spread between 10-year bond yields of Australia and the same bond yields of New Zealand moves in a strong uptrend, bringing capital inflows into the Australian bond market and thus supporting the local currency. Gold, known as one of the main driving factors for Australian dollar, moves in an upswing too, whereas the commitment of traders report for gold futures indicates the new peak for net position of commercial traders, which is an intermediate-term long signal, and that plays on the side of Australian dollar too. Which economic data traders would pay attention to? This week there are no significant economic releases scheduled, so all eyes of traders will be focused on the situation between the possible confrontation between the US and Iran. Gold as a protection asset for similar situations will drive the Australian dollar too. So in summary then, the idea for this week is a momentum trade for AUDNZD cross pair with a target area of 1.19. The strong momentum and sentiment for Australian dollar drives quotes of this pair higher. The performance of gold and geopolitical situation would be in focus this week. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.